I was angry. I wasn't like, it was Wenger, innit? You understand? So, like, the man them who know me, yeah, know me, like, the man them who grew up with me and whatnot. Man used to always argue on football, you understand? Always on the block, arguing, you get me? It was always me. I was always the one that would go in the yard and watch the games, go to games, you understand? My brother used to live opposite me, and if we never went to the games, I lived in a house, and he lived in a flat. And then whenever we scored, we'd run out, and then he'd run onto his balcony, I'd bust my front door, and we both be like going mad. You understand? This was like 7, 8 years old, blood. You get me? And then, so watching like Wenger and that, yeah, as a kid, and you're like, yeah. And then like I even backed him throughout the whole like transitioning to the Emirates. You get me? Selling the best players and whatnot. And then it come to a point when I was just like, nah, you know what? Yeah, how am I gonna keep defending this block? You understand? And with him, yeah, I kind of knew that the only way to get change was to kind of go for his neck. You understand? You had to kind of go aggressive. You get me? I had to kind of, because even at that time I was in a good place in it, but I wasn't in a good place in it. You understand? So my mind was still a bit mad. Okay. So when I came with the aggressive nature, that's because I was still doing certain things. You understand? So the aggressive side of me would come out more if I was talking something about something that I was passionate about. And football was that, innit? You understand? So like, it was mad, bro. Like, it was mad. I just went on it and then boom. I don't know.